Hussein Ajam, and this is my assignment demo. As you may know, my topic is study of recent contribution on performance and simulation techniques for accelerator device. These very high performance device and maybe specific, not general. Uh, these devices are like from 2001 until now become like something essential and taking part in many of let's say application or projects because they are very fast, high performance, mostly designed to be specialized in one area. But that doesn't mean they are not only homogeneous. Now they have heterogeneous devices which has processor of many cores. And my topic in my survey, I focused on heterogeneous because most of the performance issue happen with the heterogeneous when you have multiple cores, and the way of interaction between these cores will cause lots of performance issue, and they need all developers need to perform or model this perform in order to improve it later. Also, number of cores used and all that will should be like fixed or dedicated or determined by knowing full performance model or by having full performance models. Accelerators, as I said, there's a heterogeneous and homogeneous. Homogeneous, obviously, with less performance issues because they are like only one core and is doing fine. But heterogeneous with many cores, this is causing the trouble and the problem. Uh, in order to get like proper performance model, we have to know the character very well, the characterization of the device we are working with, and this is comes from the usually comes from the device manuals and maybe device journal or academic papers. We have to know the characterizing of the application we are putting on the device to get the performance. This is also very essential to prevent like issues like bottleneck and things. Modeling and modeling methodology. There is a lot of modeling methodologies. We choose one of them, and we see which one is the like the best choice for us, and we use it to model our device and system. Uh, After we finish the model or during the modeling performance process, let's name it, we are looking for few parameters, let's say, or factors. Most important ones are the estimate the execution date time, sorry, because obviously execution time is like great, or because it's will like determine if the device is fast enough or slow or what or whatever. So to get the performance, to know what's what estimate that, because there's no perfect answer, to estimate the execution time, we have to avoid bottlenecks before starting performance, because with performance, with the modeling performance, we have to use very intensive code, very intensive application, and that's fact. But this application might lead to bottleneck, which will ruin the whole modeling. So we have to avoid this very well before or during and after the modeling. As coding optimization, that's true. We have to optimize the code of the matrix. Maybe if you are using matrix for performance very well, we make sure that's bug free and everything's going well. Power consumption, this is also very essential to know the power, how much power this device spend. For example, some devices are speed more than required, for example, but they at the same time they cost lots of power. So the developers after the performance model can like something to balance of them, so reduce the speed a little bit of reduce the speed of execution and boost the power consumption. Simulator, let's go back. Power consumption, we can find this or we can check this using general tools, which require lots of lots of figuration before start and configuration, sorry, and it's not very accurate. But we want to use Accelerator, there's something called Simulator. Simulator is a tool that designed for a specific, or used to be designed for a specific device. It's gathered all the performance. It gives you like a report with all performance, with all review, so performance, time consumption, and power consumption, and all things, and it gives you very accurate result. And there is a obviously after 2010 or even before that start they start generating heterogeneous simulators, so they work with heterogeneous devices, or they work with more than one device. It used to be only for one device. For example, GPU sim work for with NVIDIA and GPUs only. Unfortunately, I have no time to show you my conclusion, but you can find it in the report anyway. Thank you for listening, and thank you.